Imagine yourself floating in the infinite expanse of the cosmos, surrounded by an endless sea of stars. Each point of light is a distant sun, many orbited by planets of their own. We find ourselves in an unfathomable playground of celestial bodies, each one a world of its own, each one a mystery to be explored. This boundless expanse is our universe, home to billions of galaxies, each teeming with countless stars, and within one of these galaxies lies our own little corner of the cosmos, our solar system. At the heart of it, a single star we call the Sun, orbited by a family of 8 diverse planets, each one a wonder in its own right. We are but a speck in this grand cosmic orchestra, yet we dare to explore, to venture into the unknown. We stand on the precipice of discovery, always seeking, always wondering. Our journey begins here on a small blue planet called Earth. Our first stop is Venus, often called Earth's evil twin. A bit smaller than our home planet, Venus is the second closest to the Sun and is similar to Earth in size, gravity, and composition. But that's where the similarities end. Imagine a world where the temperature can melt lead, with an average surface temperature of about 867 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being further from the Sun. Venus is that world. Its day is longer than its year, with a rotation period of 243 Earth days, and it rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets. The evening star, as it's often called, is not as serene as it appears from our earthly vantage point. Its atmosphere is incredibly thick, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This dense layer traps heat, creating a greenhouse effect on a monstrous scale, and is the reason for Venus's scorching temperatures. And if that's not enough, the atmospheric pressure at Venus's surface is 92 times that of Earth. That's equivalent to being about 3,000 feet underwater on Earth. Yet this hostile environment hides its surface, veiling Venus in mystery and making it a fascinating object of study. Despite its hostile conditions, Venus fascinates us with its mysterious beauty. Leaving the scorching heat of Venus behind, we venture to Mars, the red planet. This celestial body, fourth from the Sun, is a sight to behold with its reddish hue, a characteristic that earned it its nickname. This color is due to the iron oxide, more commonly known as rust, that is found in abundance on its surface. Mars is a planet of extremes, boasting the highest and the lowest geographical features in the solar system. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is the tallest peak, standing at nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, Earth's highest point. This volcano has been quiet for millions of years, but its sheer size is a testament to the volcanic activity that once reshaped the Martian landscape. In stark contrast, we have Valles Marineris, a system of canyons that stretches over 4,000 kilometers long, making it the widest known canyon in the solar system. So vast it is that it could swallow our Grand Canyon whole and still have room to spare. The thin atmosphere of Mars, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, is incapable of retaining heat, thus making the planet's surface incredibly cold. But don't let the cold and the thin air fool you. Mars is a hotbed for scientific exploration. The red planet has been the destination for numerous missions. Rovers such as Spirit, Opportunity, and more recently Perseverance have been sent to investigate the surface, studying the Martian soil, rocks, and atmosphere. These missions seek to answer the question that has intrigued scientists and dreamers alike. Did Mars once harbor life? While no definitive evidence of past life has been found, discoveries of ancient riverbeds and the presence of water ice suggest that Mars could have been habitable billions of years ago. As we continue to explore, each mission peels back another layer of the Martian mystery, bringing us one step closer to answering the age-old question. Mars, a cold desert world, holds many secrets yet to be discovered. Our final destination is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This gas giant, dwarfing all other planets, is more than 11 times the diameter of Earth. It's so large, in fact, that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. But its size isn't the only thing that makes Jupiter stand out. Composed primarily of hydrogen and helium similar to our Sun, Jupiter's makeup is fundamentally different from the rocky terrestrial planets like Earth and Mars. Far from a world of solid ground, Jupiter's surface is a turbulent sea of swirling clouds with storms that can last for hundreds of years. Perhaps the most famous of these storms is the Great Red Spot, a cyclone larger than our entire planet Earth. It's been swirling for at least 300 years, offering a glimpse into the powerful forces at play beneath Jupiter's thick cloud cover. Above these clouds, we find a host of celestial bodies. Jupiter boasts a family of 79 known moons, the 4 largest of which, known as the Galilean moons, were discovered by Galileo Galilei in the early 17th century. These moons, named Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are worlds unto themselves, each with unique geological features and potential for life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. It's the only moon known to have its own magnetic field, a testament to Jupiter's influence and the dynamic nature of its celestial family. Speaking of magnetic fields, Jupiter's is the strongest of any planet in our solar system. This magnetic field creates a vast region of space known as the magnetosphere, extending millions of miles behind Jupiter. This magnetosphere acts like a cosmic shield, protecting inner planets like Earth from harmful solar radiation. But the magnetic field does more than just protect, it also puts on a show. Interacting with charged particles from the sun, it creates stunning auroras at Jupiter's poles akin to our own northern and southern lights. Jupiter, with its swirling clouds and captivating moons, concludes our brief tour of the cosmos, but remember, space is vast and there's always more to explore.